Hello guys, good morning sa inyong lahat sa mga ka-forever. So, eto po ako ngayon. Kabe-break ko lang ng aking intermittent fasting. Actually alas 10 kakain ako. Timad po ako yung twice a meal a day muna. And later on, once a meal a day na lang ako. So, etong kakainin ko is bacon, tomato, ano ba yan? Cucumber and tomato. So, yan po aking kakainin. Of course, with ladies' choice Caesar salad. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng ganyan. And of course, magte-take ako ng aking forever pills of green kasi kailangan 3 to 5 servings of vegetable and fruits every day. Of course, for my daily protection is forever absorbency. The only chewable, I think, the only chewable vitamin C, 'di ba, with papaya extract, blended and matrix base, 'di ba? So, banded siya with oat bran, which is good for the heart. So, ito yung tinitake ko. Hindi ka lang 24 hours protected, but 72 hours. And of course, para maiwasan ang ating mga cardiovascular problems, forever Arctic Sea with omega-3, fish oil, and calamari oil with olive oil. 120 soft gels. And good rin po for food for brain development. Ayan, maganda po siya. Yung mga buntis safe po itong gamitin. Nakakatulong rin po itong bumaba ang ating cholesterol. And again, our products is not approved therapeutic claim. Kain po tayo, yummy, yummy, yummy. This is my morning breakfast. At naway lahat tayo pinagasalon sa ating hapagkainan. Kain po tayo and God bless us all.